Good morning, students. I am Nabiullah Siddiqui, your computer teacher. So, in my previous video, I discussed some topics of chapter 2, which is software concept. I discussed the introduction software and the types of software and a part of system software. So, in today's video, I shall be telling you about a part of system software, which is language processor or language translator, and it covers assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So after watching that video, what you will learn what is a language processor, what is assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So let's start. So in my previous video, I already told you what is software. So here is a software is a set of instruction instruct the hardware to function, and I told you the types. Software is divided into system software, application software, and mobile application. So we were discussing system software and we discussed system software already. So today's video I will be telling you about the language translators. What are the language translator or language processor? A language processor or translator is a type of system software. Before our program is executed, it must be translated into the machine language, which is a binary language. Since computer can understand only machine language, which is binary code based language. So actually computer has a translator which translate our language into the computer's language, and vice versa, means computer's language into our language. Languages, there are basically two types of language. One is of users type, second is of computers type. So computer understands the binary language or machine language. For converting our language, what we type in or write in the computer in English, and computer what it takes for computers understanding in binary. So for that, computer has a software which converts the language from users end to the computer's end, and from the computer's end to the user's end. So language translator includes assembler, interpreter, compiler. The differences in these types of translator is found in the processing. The translator used to produce computer readable machine language, which I already told you. In both high level and low level programming languages, programmer write their set of instructions and tell the computer what to do step by step, and these instructions must be translated into the computer's language, computer's code, so that the computer can understand what is to be done. So first we are having assembler. How the assembler works? Assembler is old kind of language translator. So it converts low level assembly language program into the machine language. In mid era of computer development, assembly language was used. So it was used to write program. The programs written in a language is called source program or source code. Once the program has been written in assembly language, it needs to be translated into the machine code by the software called assembler before it could be understood by a computer, which is called object program or object code. Okay, when we write something or some code into the assembler language, into the assembler in assembly language, it is referred to as source code. And when the computer converts the source code into the computer's understandable form, then it is known as object code or object program. Next we are having compiler. Okay, what is a compiler? Compiler is also a language translator. So compiler is a type of software which translates source program written in high level language into the machine language. So compiler interprets or translates the whole program in one go. पूरा प्रोग्राम एक बार में. Many high level languages like COBOL, Fortran have their different compilers. A compiled program which is converted into the machine language is converted only once. It is saved into the computer's program file and can be run whenever required. All the error appears at a time on the screen. If the original source code is altered, then we are required to recompile. Otherwise, there is no need to compile. We can run the code directly. And next we are having is interpreter. So interpreter and compiler work with the high level language, but the difference is the functioning. Means compiler changes the program in one go, and what about the interpreter? So let's see. Interpreter translates high level language source code into the computer's understandable language, and vice versa. An interpreter translates each line of program as it goes through the program. The object code produces by an interpreter cannot be saved. So the program must be interpreted every time it is executed. Therefore, interpreter makes it easy and fast to correct the program, but it is slower than the compiler. The translators such as assembler, compiler, and interpreter, all these are a particular type of software and called language processor or translator. Such softwares are prepared and used by the manufacturer of the computers all over the world. Means these are used by the programmers. So what are the main point of difference between the compiler and interpreter? So compiler translates the entire program into machine code in one go, and whereas interpreter translates the program line by line. Second difference is execution takes place when all syntax error are removed, and here execution takes place when all syntax error of a line are removed. Debugging is slow in compiler and debugging is faster in interpreter as compared to the compiler. Execution time is less, but here the execution time is more. So interpreter are a bit slower. So these are the point of differences in interpreter and compiler. So that's it for language processor. Next we will be dealing with the next system software type, which is utility software. Okay, I hope what I explained in today's video you getting the concept and idea, and in the next video I will be telling you about the utility softwares. Okay, till then, take care. Thank you.